Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October in the year 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.10. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.91%. This equates to an average return of 0.36% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a broad and modest upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 6.19% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 1.12% to positive 8.88%. Regarding the 12-month outlook, this trend suggests a change of nearly 30% over the coming year, with potential returns falling between 21.3% and 33.4%. This indicates a price range between $707.22 and $779.50 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF reveals that the price increased by 0.82% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, the SPY ETF price rose from $579.58 to $584.32. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.770%, with a low of $580.80 and a high of $585.27. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 1.82% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume decreased by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 32 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $18.78 billion. It is essential to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $585.27, while the lowest price was $409.21. Currently, the price stands at 0.16%, or 95 cents, below the 52-week high of $585.27, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The current market landscape for SPY indicates a state of heightened valuation, as evidenced by analysis showing that the S&P 500 has reached substantial overvaluation levels based on traditional metrics. This situation has been mirrored in broader market movements, with major indices hitting all-time highs and investor allocations to equities peaking since the end of the internet boom era. Despite this, the S&P 500 has seen a robust year-to-date increase of 22.61%, suggesting bullish sentiment among investors. As SPY reflects these movements, this surge could result in short-term volatility, especially if market corrections are prompted by concerns over overvaluation. Additionally, the popularity of exchange-traded funds remains strong, driven by their fundamental role in diversified investment strategies, which could attract more investors to SPY in the long term as they seek balanced exposure to market performance. Nevertheless, heightened valuations may eventually warrant caution among investors, potentially driving them to reconsider strategies, leading to market corrections. Investors should prepare for a mix of growth opportunities tempered by the risks associated with overvalued markets. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal derived from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support is expected around $575.87 and $564.52. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5th, 2024, and thus far, it has increased by 12.94%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices rose, resulting in a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. The ETF warrants close attention. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 50 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago, short-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 40 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 222 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $543.01 and $532.90. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as breaking this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at $543.01. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $532.90 and $517.38. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low in this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.47 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.77%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.744%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $543.01. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $565.74, representing a decrease of 3.18%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 49 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment option? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable likelihood for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. However, after examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower by 86 cents, starting at $583.46. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.